Did you know that one of the best allies in the vegetable can be found in your kitchen? It's vinegar. If you want to learn how and why you can use it in your garden, be sure to stay until the end of the video. Before we go, I invite you to subscribe to the channel to follow more useful tips for successful gardening. The vinegar is a versatile tool that can help in several ways in the vegetable garden. Here's how and why. Vinegar is a great natural herbicide. Its acidity helps to eliminate unwanted plants, especially weeds growing between vegetables. It is only necessary to spray directly on the weed, and within a few days, they will begin to vein. The vinegar is also a great means of refusing many pests such as ants and snails. If you sprinkle the solution of vinegar and water around the plants, you will prevent attacks of these boring insects without compromising the crops. Some vegetables, like tomatoes or blueberries, like sourland. A lightweight vinegar and water solution can improve the pH value of the country and create ideal conditions for their successful cultivation. In addition, vinegar is great to clean the garden tool. His properties dissolve rust and dirt, allowing you to maintain the tool in good condition. Now that you know how much the vinegar uses can have in your vegetable garden, it is time to try it yourself. If this video was useful to you, remember to share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for even more practical tips. Thank you for watching.